Hi, it's Dawn here at dawnmclaughlin.com, and today I want to show you how you can build really quick, simple landing pages using Thrive themes. And if you haven't seen my previous video, which is part of this demonstration tutorial, then you might want to go back and watch part one, because that actually goes into more details about how easy it is to use a lot of the features and the drag and drops. I will touch on them slightly in here, but the bulk of what all the features is going to be in part one. So with landing pages, I will take you over to how you can actually set it up. So as I mentioned in the first video, and if you've not seen that already, it's a WordPress plugin, and it's very simple to upload, and it sits in the back office here. So you've got lots of different things down here that's connected to it. I'm not going to go into all of that today because this is more about the landing pages. So I've actually created myself a page, and all I need to now do is edit with Thrive Content Builder. This actually takes me straight to my website, which if you've seen video one, this is where I create my blogs. This is how I do everything in here. So video one explains all of this. What we're doing in this video is choosing a landing page that's not actually going to be sitting anywhere on my website unless I actually wanted it to. This is something that I can use for ad campaigns, that's purely just where people can go to that URL, and it's not actually going to be anywhere in my website at all. So clicking on this button here, all you do is choose a landing page. So this will take you into here. Now there's tons to choose from. So there's lots of different ones in here that you can choose from. Now, rather than scrolling down, you might think, right, okay, I want a video. So click on there. Everything that's got a video embedded will pop up for you. If you want a webinar one, there's a webinar one there that you can choose from. If you want a coming soon, you can use the timer. So if you've got a product that's about to launch, you might want people to buy that product and then tell them how long it's going to be before the launch date is going to be. So if you watched video one, you will have seen the timer that I actually set up. So but what they've got here is a pre-populated landing page, so you don't have to create your own. So yeah, so as you can see, they're all down here. Now I'm just going to let's have a look. What can we choose? Let's go with just trying to think which was the last one that I used. Let's have a look. I've used all of these pretty much, but let's go with this one because this is actually quite a nice one. The big picture sales page. In fact, this is really good. In fact, I've just done a recent campaign using this one. There's a lot of content in here that you can use from, and I'll show you actually how I've changed all the colours around using this as well. So sorry, I have got the children in the background and I've got a funny feeling that they're going to come through very shortly. So I do apologise. So yeah, what this actually does is, as you can see, you've got an image there. So say for example, I wanted to change that image, I would just go in there, choose a new image. So if I wanted this one that I've recently created, that would sit in there nicely. As I've mentioned in my last video, I will put a link to the graphics tool that I use to build these. If you want to change the color of this text, then all you will do is, oops, just one second, click on there. And if I wanted that to be in white, then I could have that in white there. I'm not going to go back and re-amend things. I just want to show you really all the features that you can do. So as you can see, they've already pre-populated. So if you think, oh, actually, I don't need all that text, all you do is delete that out and then just change this to whatever you want it to be. And then you just go into there. So again, they've got the icons in here. There's an icon package as well. So if you want to change the icon, I need to upload the icons. Actually, I've not actually uploaded them yet, but really easy actually. It's just something I've not got around to. So they actually have a package that you can upload and change all these icons that are relevant to the business that you've got. If you wanted to change the color of that icon, for example, let's go in there and make it, we'll go for pink. Let's say you want that one to be green, and you might want that one to be a different color. It's entirely up to you as to, you know, you can choose the colors there basically. So again, you've got a testimonial that's already been put in here. If you watched my last video, you will have seen how easy it is. If you decide you don't like the style of that, it's actually in here somewhere. Let me just have a look. testimonial. So we can go and choose a different style if that's not the one that you, if you don't like that particular style. Anywhere where there's green, you just drag and drop. So as you can see, we'll just get rid of that one there because we don't want, sorry, I've put that into, I've put a testimonial within a testimonial. So as you can see here, it's just put the image there rather than having it over there. You can change the background of that color so we can make that green. Oops, I've gone into the wrong one. If you make a mistake, hit that arrow button there, and that'll just take everything back for you. As you can see, where the red is, that's where I was then. You need to make sure that you've got your cursor. So as we are, we're now in here. So you can choose a testimonial image. I've already done this in the last one, but I'll just do a quick demonstration again. Pop that into there, change the color of the background, and we might want that to be in green. And then you might want the text to be in white. So again, just make sure your cursor, as long as it's got the box around it in red, you'll know you've hit the right mark, and you can change that. So as you can see, that was really quickly to change. So we'll get rid of that one because we don't want the one that was already in there. I've already put it in so let's have a look. We just need to pop it, make sure it's not within the one that's already there. There we go. So we'll just get rid of that one altogether. So if you just keep scrolling down, and then you've got these icons here. So if you think, oh, I quite like that icon, but I want it somewhere else, just hit that button and it'll copy it for you. Drag it down and let's pop it there. So you've got another arrow there. What they've done here is they've set an actual image within the background. So if you watched my first one, you will have seen that you can actually put an image in by doing the drag and drop with the image. So if I wanted an image in there, for example, I'll just pop that in there, and there you have it. I'll make it smaller. Let's drag it down to there. And that's how you'd obviously put an image in. If you actually just want to change this as a background and have some text here, then you would make sure that it's highlighted so you've got the background to choose from. You can choose a different image. I'll choose a laptop and pop that there. So as you can see, it's actually put the laptop there. I can talk about the contact there. I've got a read more button here. So if I decide then that I want to put in my, that's a YouTube video, I don't want that in there. Well, actually, it would take them to that YouTube channel, but let's say I want them to now go to my website. I would just put my website in there, new window, check out more here. So there you go. So if somebody clicks on there, it'll take them through to wherever I want them to take them through to. If you then think, I don't actually want this section in, delete it, completely gets rid of it for you. So it's all pre-populated, so you can think, actually, I prefer it to be at this side. I don't want the laptop at the other side. So all you do is go and change your image, go find your image again, and it pops it at that side for you. So you can just think, right, I'll get rid of the other one. So we'll just keep scrolling down and see what else it's got in here. So again, you might just think, I don't want all these testimonials in here. I'm going to get rid of some of them. You've got a nice background here. You might think, right, okay, I want to put a call to action in this section here, which is what I've done. I'll show you a quick demonstration of this that I used. So you might want to put, you know, a button here, or a call to action that's telling them to do something. Put your opt-in box there so that they can buy it. Again, you've got all these here. If you decide you've got something that you want to buy, click on there. You don't use Discover or the Amex. You can just click out and put back in exactly what you want to do there. So let's keep scrolling down. If, for example, you think, I don't really want that background that's already in there, you can go into the pattern of the background, and there's quite a few to choose from. So all you'll think is, right, okay, I want to make this green. So it'll change it to green for you. Or you might quite like that sort of background, or so as you can see, there's loads of different options for you to choose from. We'll keep like a leather look. It doesn't look brilliant, but there we go. So again, this has got a background image that they've already got in there. You can change that if you want to. With this here, it's just an image that they've created, so you could create something yourself and pop that in there. These are the features and the benefits. When you scroll on there, if you want to add another, hit return. You've got another bullet point, and all you need to do is obviously click on the cross to get rid of one. So as you can see, this is really, really easy. And these are the toggle boxes. So if you watch the previous video, all I would do in here is write your text here. And then in here, I've actually put some videos in one of mine. I've got some videos with some frequently asked questions with the business system that I'm using, which is the Six Figure Mentors and Digital Experts Academy. And because it's an online business system, people get a little bit wary of certain things. So I actually added in some FAQs at the bottom of mine, just so people could sort of hear a little bit more about the actual system itself. So again, all you would do is go grab a URL from YouTube, or I think it's Vimeo that you could use as well, or you could use HTML and put your own video in there if you really, if you wanted to. I'm not going to go into that. So there you go, pop that in there. So you've got the video in there, hide related, we don't want the bar to pick up. And then all you would do is then close it back up again, and it's in there. So if people want to check out the video, they just drop down and it goes in there. So as you can see, if I save these changes, and we'll just hit the preview button here, let's have a look. There you have it. It takes you through. This is everything that we've just created, which is really, oops, what's happened here? Please don't say I've just lost. Oh, I deleted a page, didn't I? Yeah. So obviously you'd have this looking a little bit more professional. But I did actually do one myself here. This is one that I created. I'll just scroll down and just let you have a look. So I've got like 3 videos. So this is one that I'm actually using at the moment. So as you can see, I've got my call to action there, a little bit about me there, another call to action there. So that's another one that I did. But also, if I've got it here, let me just have a look. The same one, but what I actually did was change the colors up. So as you can see, it's the exact same one. I just did a clone of the yellow one that you saw, and then just went back in and deleted things that I didn't want, changed the colors. This is more for like the mumpreneur websites and that type of thing. So I've just been in, changed all the colors. It's exactly the same, and that's how easy it is to create landing pages. So I hope this helps, and what I will do is I'll put a link at the bottom for the landing pages. I am an affiliate for Thrive Themes, and I do suggest that if anybody else purchases Thrive Themes, that they also set themselves up as an affiliate, because that's what online marketing is all about. If you use a product and you absolutely love it, then certainly make sure that you you can build a passive income online by using that. So I'll also put a link to the business system that I'm using, because 9 months ago I knew nothing about this anyway. So it might be that you want to look into the Six Figure Mentors and Digital Experts Academy. So I will link that up for you as well. And yeah, I hope this has helped, and good luck with creating some awesome landing pages and websites. All right, take care. Bye-bye.